Welcome to YouTube Asaf Ali channel. In this video, you will know about Ostrich Facts, the world's largest bird. Ostriches are large flightless birds that have long legs and a long neck that protrudes from a round body. Males have bold black and white coloring that they use to attract females. Females, on the other hand, are light brown. Ostriches are bigger than any other bird in the world. They can grow up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall, and can weigh up to 145 kilograms, according to the African Wildlife Foundation. And an ostrich's eyes are 2 inches 5 centimeters in diameter, the largest of any land animal. The ostrich is the only bird that has 2 toes on each foot. All other birds have 3 or 4 toes, according to the American Ostrich Association. Where do ostriches live? Wild ostriches live in the dry, hot savannas and woodlands of Africa. They once roamed all over Asia, Africa, and the Arabian Peninsula, but because they have been hunted so extensively, wild ostriches' range has been reduced to sub-Saharan Africa, according to the University of Michigan Museum of Zoology. However, ostriches can be found in captivity all over the world. What do ostriches eat? Ostriches are omnivores, which means they eat both vegetation and meat. Although they prefer plants, especially roots, seeds, and leaves, they also eat locust, lizards, snakes, and rodents, according to the San Diego Zoo. They also eat sand and pebbles to help grind up their food inside the gizzard, which is a small pouch where food is crushed and wrapped up before it reaches the stomach. Ostriches don't need to drink water. They get all the water they need from the plants they eat. However, they do drink if they come across a watering hole. Mating habits. Male ostriches are called cocks or roosters, and females are called hens. A group of ostriches is called a flock. Flocks can be consist of up to 100 birds, though most have 10 members, according to the San Diego Zoo. The group has a dominant male and a dominant female and several other females. Lone males come and go during mating season. To get females' attention, males flap their wings outward to display the plumage. When they are ready to mate, the male's beak and shins will turn bright red. Sometimes his neck will change to a red color to match. Females also change color when they are ready to mate. Their feathers will turn a silvery color, according to the American Ostrich Association.